Welcome back to another episode of Trending FAQs. Today we will be talking about, what is Ethereum price prediction? Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like and share with friends and family so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Disclaimer, this video should not be construed as and is not intended as investment advice. The information in this video is based on various sources that are subject to change. Please do your own thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency. According to the experts at Next Advisor, the behavior of cryptocurrencies on the market is hardly predictable. ETH still occupies second place after Bitcoin, but, nevertheless, the Ethereum price prediction is controversial. Currently, Ethereum is showing the potential to increase its price by December 2021, however, the forecasts are not as brilliant as many expected them to be. Watch this video to the end to find out all the details of this cryptocurrency's forecasts for 2021 in the long run. Ethereum in short. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum is a separate blockchain that has its own digital currency. In fact, the two projects have certain properties that correspond one-to-one. For example, both coins are decentralized. No country or government backs Bitcoin or Ethereum. Furthermore, both digital currencies are built on blockchain technology so that all transactions are fast, accurate, and transparent. However, this is where the similarities end. Ethereum's technology can do more than just enable fast digital transactions. For example, Ethereum offers smart contract technology. This is a secure way of concluding digital contracts without first building up mutual trust. Ethereum transfers are also faster than Bitcoin's, and its blockchain technology can handle more transactions than Bitcoin's. Most people buy Ethereum on a speculative basis. That means that people invest in the crypto coin to make money from it. Importance of the network effect. The biggest advantage of Ethereum is the network effect. It is the first and, therefore, the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. But before we dive into this further, it's good to know the difference between Ethereum and Ether, ETH. These terms are often used interchangeably. By Ethereum, we mean the network and the blockchain. You can find all transactions of a cryptocurrency on a blockchain. And on Ethereum, transactions are paid with ETH. That is the cryptocurrency that comes with Ethereum. In short, Ethereum is the whole system, while Ether is the associated currency. A little history of Ethereum. Unfortunately, even we don't have a crystal ball. Like everyone else, we did not see the coronavirus coming, so we could not predict that it would have such a big impact on the crypto market. In 2017 and early 2018, the price of ETH grew almost exponentially. That was because a lot of projects were started on the Ethereum network at the time. This was done through initial coin offerings, ECOs. These projects all had their own coin. As an investor, you could participate in these projects by sending them your fiat money. In exchange, you received these new ETH tokens. ECOs were extremely popular in 2017 and 2018, and because you needed Ether for ECOs, the demand for them soared. Due to that demand, the price rose to unprecedented heights. The era of ECOs is over. Regulators have taken care of that. Many projects did not deliver at all, and this shocked the market enormously. Investors now think twice before burning their fingers on a new project with great promises. There is no doubt that the 2018 bear market was brutal as ETH lost more than 92% of its value, but it has since then rebounded from the price that dropped below $100. The Ethereum blockchain remains unquestionably the most robust smart contract platform out there. Of the top 100 tokens subject to market capitalization, 96% are Ethereum-based. Of the 1,000 best tokens, 89% consist of Ethereum. Two important developments in 2021. Two major developments can push the course of Ether to new heights. The first is the introduction of a new algorithm called Proof of Stake. The second one is the development of DEFI. Ethereum 2.0. With the renewal of Bitcoin's historic high, all attention is riveted on it, volumes and interest are growing, and new institutional investors are coming. However, crypto investors with a long-term planning horizon prefer Ethereum 2.0. The project already reached the top 30 in terms of capitalization. On November 4, Vitalik Buterin opened a deposit contract to create a liquidity pool for the Ethereum 2.0 network. At that moment, crypto investors had reserved 1.7 million ETH. The ETH 2.0 blockchain upgrade is not currently presented on rating resources since it will take several years before the network is fully deployed. Validators reserve funds in blocks of 32 ETH to participate in staking. For making transactions, they will receive a percentage of commissions. At the moment, this reward is estimated at 8 to 13% per annum. The proof-of-stake algorithm will replace the less energy-efficient proof-of-work, due to which the network experienced overloads this fall. And investors will receive new coins in exchange for old Ethereum in a 1-to-1 ratio. A reverse transition is not possible. Mining equipment manufacturers concentrated their efforts on creating more advanced ASICs. The highest average hash rate was recorded on Monday, November 8, 2021. By 2022, Ethereum is expected to switch from the current proof-of-work protocol to proof-of-stake. Miners won't need energy-intensive mining anymore. Instead, staked Ether is going to secure the network. Some experts claim that it will increase its scalability, security, and sustainability, so they expect the value of Ethereum to rise as well. According to Coin Price Forecast, the value of Ethereum will rise in the first half of 2022, and the cost of ETH will almost reach $9,000. However, in the second half of the year, the price will decrease to $8,200. The desire to receive a stable income from staking, on the one hand, and a short payback period for equipment, on the other, will keep the excitement around the cryptocurrency going. The average value of the cryptocurrency is predicted to reach $11,850 by the end of 2023. DeFi. A very important development in recent times is the growth of DeFi. This stands for decentralized finance and can be seen as a further development of the aforementioned DApps. DeFi companies are service providers that provide loan services on the Ethereum blockchain, for example, where only a smart contract is required for the export. Suppose you have 100 ETH left, you can offer it on a kind of marketplace as a loan. Someone else can agree to this, the conditions are poured into a smart contract, and the borrower offers collateral. Nothing more is needed. Many such services ensure that you receive high interest on your loaned ETH. And by high, we mean interest that our parents talk nostalgically about. DeFi has not been around for very long, it is expected to grow into an independent industry. Several DeFi projects use ETH as collateral for their financial applications, for instance, ETLend, MakerDAO, Nexo, and Nuo Network. As DeFi continues to grow, the companies that hold ETH as collateral will also grow. So, it's a great idea to keep an eye on Ethereum updates. The introduction of sharding. Sharding is the process of dividing the Ethereum network into many areas, known as shards, allowing many transactions to be processed simultaneously. Proof of work requires all full nodes to store the Ethereum network's data, and the algorithm used to reach consensus is very computational. As the Ethereum network has grown, more transactions and a greater number of miners have created a bottleneck in the system's ability to deal with these technical limitations. Sharding is one way of addressing this problem by distributing data and transaction processing functions among different nodes within the network. All nodes no longer need to store all data and process all transactions. Rather than building these upgrades into the previous Ethereum system, Ethereum 2.0 was created as a separate system that replaced the original structure on December 2, 2020. Suppose the changes implemented by Ethereum 2.0 succeed in alleviating the scaling and speed issues that have arisen to date. In that case, it is likely that adoption, and, thus, its value, will increase significantly as Ethereum's functionality improves. Ethereum Price Forecast for 2021. ETH, like the rest of the market, is at the center of Bitcoin's price action. So, when Bitcoin starts a bull run, ETH can also hope for it. With the pandemic outbreak, the world hibernated for a few months, and it negatively impacted cryptocurrencies, causing Bitcoin to go downhill as we recorded even 40% daily losses. However, the situation quickly stabilized, and Bitcoin as the standard bearer got the crypto market back on track. We've been in a bull race during the summer, July to August, and listening to analytics on social media and journalists' desks puts us a long way from the local peak. As long as Bitcoin is in the lead and moves up, ETH will usually do the same. ETH will increase its USD-denominated value thanks to the general rising crypto prices. The ratio between ETH and BTC is likely to decline. Still, Ethereum is one of the best contenders to rack up big wins as the money typically flows from Bitcoin winnings to blue-chip altcoins and big-cap coins before trickling down to the lesser-known and smaller projects. The Ethereum price is forecasted to reach at least $6,156 by the beginning of December 2021. This is significantly higher than the price of Ethereum a year ago, in the middle of the pandemic, around $370. What experts predict. As mentioned above, the fate of Ethereum is tied to the fate of Bitcoin. Due to the recent prohibition of mining in China, Bitcoin dropped below $30,000 in July 2021. Ethereum had no choice but to follow right behind it. All Ethereum holders would love the positive predictions to be true. Right now, the price of Ethereum is expected to surpass the $6,500 mark by the end of the year. But even then, it is not going to be a stable result. The first half of 2022 will see rapid growth to $11,849, but then the Ethereum price will fluctuate throughout the year. Number 1 Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts experts don't expect Ethereum's average price to go above $4,000 at the end of 2021. The maximum is predicted to be reached in December $4,857.065. The minimum price in November is expected to be $4,292.040. No dramatic falls are predicted, which is good news. The average price will move to $3,885.652 in December. Number 2 Wallet Investor. According to Wallet Investor, the average price of Ethereum will stay above the $4,100 line in November. The highest price will be on the 31st of December $5,015.740, while the average one will reach $4,722.080. The minimum is $4,139.850 on the 1st of December. The overall trend is rather optimistic. Number 3 Long Forecast. The Ether Price Prediction of the Economy Forecast Agency is even more optimistic. It predicts ETH's average price at the end of the year to be $5,595. The max price is $6,399. The price on the last day of 2021 is expected to be $5,980. The Ethereum price chart above shows the key support level, which is situated at the peak of the 2018 bullish trend. For the last 3 months, before reaching this level, a strong buyer's reaction has been observed, which gives the right to assert that another support level is forming around $1,700. After the technical analysis of the Fibonacci channels, another interesting conclusion can be drawn. If to take the price movement at the bottom of the bullish trend at the end of 2020 as a basis, then the Fibonacci channel extension levels show limitation of ETH's bullish potential, where the historical high of $4,366 formed exactly at the Fibonacci level of 4.236. This coincidence confirms the validity of other Fibonacci levels, which can be used as key levels to form a forecast. Given a general description of the ETH/USD price chart, it can be noted that ETH's bullish potential remains in the long term. A sharp fall with an exit below $800, which is difficult to imagine in the current situation, can serve as a break of the trend. The ETH's historical price movement in the chart above indicates strong support in the zone of $1,700 to $1,800. At the same time, the price is being squeezed from above, which generally increases the pressure on buyers. It can be also seen that the MACD histogram has been in the negative zone for a long time. Since the moving indicators are still in the positive zone and there are no reversal divergences, expect the continuation of consolidation within the formed trading channel of $1,700 to $2,200. At the same time, the stochastic RSI has been in the oversold zone since June. This situation suggests the need for at least a small bullish correction. If to make a realistic Ethereum forecast for the next 3 months, the pressure on the buyers is likely to continue for another week or two. However, with a high probability, the Ethereum projected growth has already reached a local bottom, and the market hints at entering sales in the short term with a short-term target in the zone of $2,400. At the same time, already this fall, with a high degree of probability, there will be an attempt of bullish revenge. The market will need to make a decision, which will determine whether an attempt to retest a historical high or another stress test for the buyer will occur. In case of a failed bullish impulse, the projected Ethereum fall may reach the critical level of $800 to $900. If the bulls succeed, the future price can rise to $4,200 or even higher. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to say for sure what will happen in autumn. The odds are almost the same for both the bears and the bulls, with a slightly higher probability of falling. Ethereum price prediction for 2022 by crypto experts. Predictions for 2022 vary from the minimum price of $3,843 to more than $15,000. What they have in common is the fact that Ethereum will show steady growth with no extreme falls. The speed of this growth is what the sources see differently. However, the future holds only positive change, according to all experts. Trading beasts. Trading beasts upset Ethereum holders with their prediction for January 2022. According to them, the year will begin with a minimum price of $3,843.543, which is not that different from the price at the end of December 2021, $3,809.860. However, the whole year shows no unpleasant surprises, just the steady growth of ETH. The maximum price of $5,266.339 will be reached in December 2022. Wallet investor. Wallet investor calms anyone who is worried about Ethereum by forecasting that 2022 will begin with a minimum price of $4,456.890. The average price will be $6,092.020 in July. December will lighten up the mood with a maximum price of $7,825.020. Long forecast. The economy forecast agency's predictions are the most optimistic. As you can see below, in December, Ethereum is going to fly above $16,000. The price will be more than double in 2022. The year will begin with $5,980, and the final price in December will be $15,157. Coin price forecast. Coin price forecast predictions are not so optimistic. In the first half of 2022, the price will climb to $8,779, and a trend of declining will then be noticed. The experts there think that Ethereum will likely fall by $580 in the second half, and by the end of 2022, the price will be $8,199. Ethereum price prediction for 2023 by crypto experts. As Ethereum expert David Cox said, Ethereum, just like any other cryptocurrency, is sensitive to policy and regulatory changes. If the cryptocurrency manages to stay stable for at least 200 days, buyers will trust it more, therefore the price can go up to $4,106. Trading beasts. January 2023 will begin with a minimum price of $3,604.492. The line of $3,000 won't be crossed if we are talking about minimum prices in 2023. The average price throughout the year will be between $4,240.579 to $4,493.201. Wallet investor. Wallet investors' predictions are twice those of trading beasts. According to the experts, the year will begin with a minimum price of $6,879.410. No harsh downs or quick ups are reserved for Ethereum in 2023. Luckily, the Ethereum price will eventually grow throughout the year. The average price will go from $7,372.720 on the 1st of January to $9,988.420 on the 31st of December. Long forecast. The long forecast predicts several ups and downs for Ethereum. The year will begin with $15,157, and the price will drop in February, down to $13,832, but it will rise gradually until the beginning of August. On the 1st of August, the price is predicted to be $23,605. After that, ETH will fluctuate till September. At the beginning of the month, it will cost $19,828. At the end of the month, it will be $23,000. The next rise to $26,680 is expected at the end of October. Then, the price will decline gradually in November to $22,711. The end of 2023 will bring a price of $19,077. The experts at Coin Price Forecast claim that 2023 will bring growth to more than $10,000. The first 6 months of the year will show a rise to $10,044. December 2023 will bring us up to $11,852. Ethereum price prediction for 2025 to 2030 by crypto experts. Starting with a minimum price of $5,200 in the long term, that means ETH's price may record a new all-time high of $5,600 over the next 5 years as per our prediction, and so the bull will be back in the near future, says David Cox. According to the modest growth assumptions of Simon Dedek, co-founder of crypto analysis company BlockFi and a managing partner of Moonrock Capital, the price of Ethereum may ultimately grow to $9,000 in 2025. Many other price predictions fall around the same target. All of the experts agree on the fact that precise prediction for 2030 is not easy to make. The further ahead we go in time, the shadier the picture becomes. The price of ETH will probably continue to rise to unprecedented heights in 2030. According to the predictions of Brian Schuster, founder of ARK Capital LLC, ETH will reach $100,000 per coin in 10 years. This prediction is backed up by prominent investors like Dan Moorhead, the CEO of Pantera Capital, who believes ETH will reach 6 figures by 2030. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts say that 2024 will leave us with an Ethereum price of a little more than $4,500 on average. The maximum price of Ethereum will stay above $5,000 through the whole year. The minimum price will not rise above $4,150. There are no details about what happens afterward. Wallet Investor. Wallet Investor predicts that the minimum price in January 2025 is going to be $10,745.20. Ethereum isn't expected to fall below this line in 2025 to 2026. The latest available data is in October 2026, according to the experts. The maximum price during these 22 months will be $20,957.40. Predicting prices for new, highly volatile, and risky asset classes is a thankless task. The best answer is that no one knows. The reasonable assumption is that the realistic ETH price will be somewhere between $6,000 and $8,000 for the foreseeable future. Coin price forecast. 2024 will end with $15,382 for Ethereum. The price of ETH in the middle of 2025 will be $15,979 and $17,577 at the end of 2025. Coin price forecast claims that Ethereum will start 2028 at $22,877, go to $23,851 within the first half of the year, and finish in 2028 at $25,282. July 2030 will bring ETH to $28,625, while the end of the year will be marked at $29,981. ETH historical price changes. We can't simply make price predictions without looking back. Currently, ETH is traded at $3,902. January 2018 began with a price near $1,300. In April 2018, Ethereum experienced a price below $400. Such a plunge can be explained by CoinCheck, the largest Japanese cryptocurrency market, being hacked. The decline was shown until November across all cryptocurrencies. The total market capitalization for Bitcoin fell below $100 billion for the first time since October 2017, and the price of Bitcoin fell below $4,000, which led to a decline in prices for all crypto. The rest of 2018 didn't bring any significant improvement. By the end of the year, Ethereum's value had dropped to $80. During the first half of 2019, ETH grew to above $300 by June. Ethereum was joined in its success by its elder sibling, Bitcoin. Ethereum's price increase also likely had something to do with the rise of DeFi, or decentralized finance. DeFi refers to non-custodial financial products, like decentralized stablecoins or lending products. Most DeFi protocols are based on Ethereum. ETH didn't manage to hold its position. ETH continued to drop in value throughout August. There was, however, a small uptick in value at the start of the month, which saw Ethereum's price rise from $211 to around $231. The cryptocurrency fell again by December 2019. In early December, U.S. authorities arrested Ethereum developer Virgil Griffith for consulting with North Korea on how to use cryptocurrency to evade sanctions. In the middle of December, UK cryptocurrency exchange CoinFloor said it would delist Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. 2020 showed growth up to $290 in January. On the day when the WHO declared a global pandemic, Ethereum fell to $109, less than half of its high earlier in the year. At the start of December 2020, the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade got underway. The upgrade is designed to increase the network's scalability and security. Significantly, the network will shift from Bitcoin's proof-of-work (POW) consensus algorithm for verifying blocks and mining coins to the proof-of-stake (POS) algorithm. From January 2021 to April 2021, the price of Ethereum rocketed. It was only at $1,385.50 in January, but during just 5 months, the price reached $4,000. It happened due to the upgrade and shifting to the POS protocol. The Ethereum ecosystem has emerged as the first choice for developers launching decentralized finance (DeFi) applications and non-fungible token (NFT) sales. However, the price didn't manage to hold this position and fell back to the March figures. The value of ETH in USD has grown from $737.73 on 31st of December 2020, Binance US, to an all-time high of $4,362.35 on May 12, 2021. Since the 12th of May, a dramatic fall has taken place due to the overall cryptocurrency downtrend. The reason for this trend is believed to be some of Elon Musk's tweets about Bitcoin-related environmental concerns. Also, on the 19th of May, the price of Bitcoin fell by more than 30%, reaching the local minimum of $30,000. As a result, Ethereum fell to $1,800. The price went down from $4,362.35 on the 12th of May to $2,099.58 on the 23rd of May. It was a stepping stone for Ethereum to transition to a POS protocol. Under this setup, Ethereum owners will be able to validate transactions themselves in exchange for interest, or obtain a portion of the prorated transaction fees. Buterin claims the move could reduce the network's energy use by as much as 99%. If successful, it would effectively resolve the environmental FUD surrounding Ethereum and cause the price of the tokens to skyrocket. However, there is a fly in the ointment. According to the experts from the mining firm Compass, the income of Ethereum miners will go down by 20 to 30%. The London protocol has burned more than $1 billion of ETH. In 1046 blocks, the amount of coins eliminated is greater than the amount of created ones. In August 2021, Ethereum went up due to the new EIP Ethereum Improvement Proposal, which consists of 2 parts. It allows Ethereum holders to pay fewer transaction fees. Moreover, about 3 ml and ETH are to be removed from the market each year. This action will lead to even more demand, as Ethereum will eventually become scarce. A strong uptrend continued until the beginning of September, when Ethereum reached highs of May 2021 near $3,972. On September 7 to 8, the price fell by more than $900. The plunge was caused by the BTC sell-off. Until September 21, the price of the cryptocurrency was moving down. It seems ETH/USD has been forming a new downtrend. However, the next wave of Ethereum's growth started on September 29. Since then, its price has risen by more than 70%. The growth can be explained by a combination of encouraging comments from Fed Chair Jerome H. Powell, the upcoming Altair update, and the beginning of October, which has historically been a strong month for cryptocurrencies. This clear trend upwards was strengthened by the fact that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has approved ProShares' application to launch the Bitcoin Strategy ETF on the 15th of October. On November 2, the CME Group announced it would launch a new micro-ether futures contract. On November 9, Ethereum rose to a new all-time high of $4,837.59. Is Ethereum, ETH, a good investment? Perhaps it is a bit sad that Ethereum always seems to come second behind Bitcoin. Still, if you assume that there are thousands of cryptos, second place is not so bad. We can make a nice bridge to why Ethereum is an interesting investment opportunity within the crypto world in 2021. Ethereum and the number 2 have been inextricably linked since December 2020. Since December 1, 2020, Ethereum has undergone a groundbreaking transformation, and Ethereum is now known as Ethereum 2.0. In short, the main upgrade of Ethereum 2.0 over Ethereum 1.0 is in its scalability. Ethereum 2.0 uses the technique of sharding for this. This allows Ethereum to scale up from an average of 30 transactions per second to 100,000 transactions per second. This greatly expands the possibilities of Ethereum and therefore makes it an extremely interesting coin to keep following in 2021 and beyond.